I want you to understand the funding gap. I want to take a moment for you to understand what is holding your business back from accessing the capital that you need, because it's something that I see quite too often over my 2 decades of working in banking, working specifically with small businesses and commercial clients. Because typically banks, traditional banks, they approve only about 20 to 30% of clients. And so where does that leave that 80 to 70%? Are you in that 20%, 20 to 30? Are you in that 80 to 70? And if you're in that 80 to 70, are you going to do anything to change it? You need to, because if not, your business will not survive. Without access to capital, it won't survive. So I want to talk real quick about 3 things that kill our businesses from being able to thrive and have access to funding. 1, insufficient credit history. Yep, I know. I wish I didn't have to say it, but it's true. But in the world that we live in now, there's so many solutions for you to be able to invest and do the things necessary to fix your credit. It is critical that you do it, because even if you access funds with credit that's not where it needs to be, your interest rates are going to be higher. The amount of money you have to put into your opportunities are going to be higher. So yes, you get access to funds, but you pay more in the long run. And I want you to have premium money. I want you to have access to the best money possible. The next piece is collateral. Do you have collateral? Do you have access to capital and cash that could be collateralized? Do you have, when you're looking at buying a piece of property, does the collateral's value match up to what they're asking for? Do you have resources, whether it be a piece of equipment, a car, land, whatever the case may be, that can shore up the opportunity or the deal that you're looking at? And the third piece is a lack of knowledge. It is being simply unaware of business financial literacy. Are you aware of what amortization schedules look like on commercial loans? What are the terms when it comes to different commercial loans and things of that nature? When it comes to equipment, are you aware of the process? Do you know what they're going to require? Do you already have those things? And so these things are absolutely critical, because I know that without access to capital, you cannot grow, sustain, and scale your business. And so I want you to be in a position to be able to get these things right. And so we want to provide you with solutions. And one of the solutions that we came up with was, and we talked about this a little earlier last week, and the dates have been updated, we're having a Fund Your Dream Small Business Funding Masterclass next Tuesday, the 26th, the 27th, and the 28th. September 26th, the 27th, and 28th at 7:30. This class is a class that's going to prepare you to be able to access the capital that you need by providing competence and confidence. Competence. You will be fully aware of what is required and what your business needs to do, or what steps your business needs to take to be in a position to access the funds that can help your business scale. That's going to give you confidence and competence. Confidence. You're going to be fully aware of what banks are going to ask you for, what financial documents you need to have, how your business needs to be set up, why they're asking for this and that. And so it's the blueprint. It's a foundation that's going to help you be able to access the capital that you need. Because without the capital, without the gas in your car, without capital, your car won't move, your business won't move. And so if you're interested in attending, we would love to serve you and have you. DM me your name, phone number, and email address, and we'll send more information out. But again, we want to see you succeed, because we have got to be at a place where you're not a part of that 70 to 80% that gets declined. We want you to be in that 20 to 30%, because those businesses that get access to capital, they grow, they're sustainable, and they're scalable. And so let's go get access to capital. Thank you again for letting Barber Company serve you. We're here for you. Let's have a wonderful week.